In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Groupon order. First, open your internet browser and search for Groupon. Type the word Groupon into the search bar at the top of the window, then press enter. On most browsers, you will see a page of search results with Groupon near the top. You should see the familiar green Groupon logo next to the main result. If you do not see it right away, scroll a little until you find the official Groupon website entry in the results list. Once you see the Groupon result, click the correct link and log in. Click the result that clearly shows the Groupon homepage, not an ad pointing somewhere else. When the Groupon site opens, look near the top right of the page for a login button or a sign-in option. Click that, then enter the email and password you used when you created your Groupon account. After you submit your details, the page will reload and you will see your name or your profile icon in the top right corner, which confirms you are signed in. If you mistype your password, Groupon will show an error message above the login form. Now that you are logged in, hover your mouse over your name or profile icon in the top right corner. Move the pointer onto your name and just rest it there without clicking. A small drop-down menu will appear underneath your name. On many screens, this menu has several account options such as your profile, payment settings, and your Groupon-related items. If you do not see the menu, move the mouse away, then back over your name for a second try. From the drop-down menu, click My Groupons. When you click it, the site will open a new page focused on your personal orders. This page usually has a simple layout with your recent Groupon purchases listed in the main area. Each entry often shows the deal title, purchase date, and status, so you can quickly spot the voucher you are looking for. At this point, your latest orders should already be visible without any extra searching. Next up, review your dashboard timeline. Look through the list of orders on this page from top to bottom. The most recent purchases are usually at the top of the timeline, while older ones are further down. If you are searching for an older order or a historical receipt, click the All tab near the top of the list. This shows both active and past Groupons in one place. If you still do not see your order, click the Redeemed or Expired tabs to check deals you already used or that have passed their redemption date. Once you select a tab, the list refreshes and only shows orders that match that status, making it easier to track down a specific purchase or confirm whether a voucher has already been used. You have now opened Groupon, signed in, and used My Groupons and the Timeline tabs to locate your order and its status. If this helped you track down your missing Groupon, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick guides like this.